Hi guys, I am in Police Bazar, Thana Road right now. So if you want to know where Thana Road is, you have to come from this road coming upwards from Glass House and Domino's. You'll see a small lane if you come upwards from there to your right and will lead you to Thana Road right here. And if you're coming downwards, meaning you're coming from Dreamland, you're climbing up, you'll see a small lane, it will lead you to Thana Road. And why I'm in Thana Road, Police Bazar, is because I'm visiting the Chaat Puchka or the Chaat restaurant, Chaat house restaurant. It's right here. Follow me and let's enter this place.
The creative combinations of fresh vegetables, aromatic herbs, and innovative meat substitutes awaken a newfound appreciation for vegetarian cuisine within me. With every bite, I realized that vegetarian food was not only healthy and nourishing, but also an exciting and satisfying experience that I was able and eager to explore further. Come join me as I enter the Chaat Puchka and explore all of the vegetarian dishes that they have to offer and get to know more about the place and the person running it.
This place specializes in veg food, so very excited. It's something very unique here in Shillong and has a lot of variety of chaats and other food items as well. Let's check them all out. Follow me. Hi. Heard a lot about this place here for first time. I'm fine. And you?
Fine.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much, Rahul, for having me here at your Chaat Puchka shop. It's an amazing place, and yeah, it's so nice that you're doing something unique here to Shillong. And yeah, I'm looking forward to all this food that you have ready for us. Thank you so much for that. Okay. And can you introduce yourself to the people?
Yeah, I'm the owner of this Chaat Puchka franchise that's located at Thana Road, Police Bazar.
What makes this Chaat Puchka different from other places, and what is it all about? Can you tell us?
Basically, it's all about the spices.
Okay.
The spices which we are getting from the mainland India. And those spices are different from the normal spices which other people are using it in their own chaats.
Okay.
Our recipe and our spices are totally different from others, and as well as the quality.
Okay. So, since you call this a Chaat Puchka or a Chaat house, is our only chaats available here?
No, basically you cannot call it a multi-cuisine restaurant also.
Okay.
Basically it's a small venture. Okay. So, but as of now, there are South Indian and Italian and other sides also which are like small portions.
Oh, so that's excellent news for everyone because it caters to everyone as well, right?
Basically like there's something for everyone.
Yeah, and that's the best part. And you're saying that this place is vegetarian, right? It's a veg place. Can you tell me a bit about that? Like, since it's very unique here, we tapped on to the non-veg market. So, what do you have to say about that?
Basically, this is a veg place, and as of in Shillong, there is like very few pure veg restaurants, and we as a pure veg restaurant, we are giving you more than 180 items that are totally with beverages,
Okay.
right? And as a place, like we are having lots of fusions also in chaats in South Indians, and so pure veg food is like people think nowadays that there's no variety in pure veg.
Yeah.
But when you visit
Even
here,
taste also, you say
when you
sometimes.
visit us, you can feel that the pure veg food is as tasty as the non-veg food.
Okay. So, how do you keep it fresh?
We are giving daily orders. Whatever is needed, so only that much is ordered. We are not storing anything. We are not keeping anything refrigerated and serving it the next day. So that's the deal.
Now looking at this place, it's packed right now. I'm just begging Rahul here.
No,
Don't
nothing
mind,
as
bro.
such. Nothing as such.
Let's just end this video. Then I just want you to give a few words of inspiration to not only the business owners but the youths, the people watching. What do you have to say?
As a restaurant, we are trying to promote the veg items, okay, and encourage people to eat more veg food. And also, if from the business perspective, someone is trying to open more or elaborate the veg market more, we'll be happy to know that.
Great. That's a great thing. And before, one last thing before we leave, can you just explain me what's going on? There's a lot of stuff here, so can you just tell me?
We have the masala dosa,
Okay.
and here we have the aloo tikki chaat and regular pani puri. and mojito, and our sweet lassi, and from the Italian section we have the chef's special pizza.
Thank you so much for the preparations.
Now
all of
I will
this.
not disturb you,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you can continue.
Thank you so
Thank
very,
you.
very much. Please,
Yeah,
bro.
please.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying watching this video right now, please don't forget to support us by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Okay, now back to the video.
First and foremost, guys, I'm very excited to taste the dosa here, and looking at it, my mouth's already watering. I'm very hungry, so let's have a taste. First of all, let's have a check on this. I notice it's very crispy, very flaky. It's nice. A lot of flavors explodes in your mouth, and you can tell they're really good at making dosas. It's so good. So here you have the sambar. I have coconut chutney and here we have pudina chutney. So let's try this. So first, the coconut chutney. Let's have a taste. This is the pudina chutney. Also, the stuffing inside. Look at this. Very generous stuffing. This is the sambar, of course. So what I've realized about the dosa is, first of all, I can tell you, very fresh, very flaky. If you look at all of these three, the sambar, coconut chutney, it's very, the consistency is on point, meaning it's very thick. Now we're going to try out the pani puri, which is a favorite here in Shillong. Everybody loves pani puri. Ever since before I was in school till now, everybody loves it. It's a favorite here in Shillong. So let's give it a try and see how the taste is. There's a potato filling inside. This is the water inside. So let me have a taste and see how this is. Very excited. So first and foremost, spiciness. Boom. Explodes. Pretty spicy, which is good. The way we like it in Shillong. I'm pretty sure. And the water, which you use lemon, is amazing. This is great. It makes it all the more better. So now guys, I'm gonna have the aloo tikka chaat, and this also looks very interesting. And so look at the elements here, look at everything here. It's brilliant. You can see how much is going into it. I don't even know how to explain more. It's a lot. Let's just go directly to the taste, and then I'll tell you what's going on. So let's mix this all properly first. Okay, I got a proper scoop of everything. There's so much going on right now in my palate. I don't even know how to explain to you guys. It's just a whole experience in your mouth. Weirdly enough, this is my favorite one so far. I'm saying that much. So guys, this is the main event, at least for me, because I love pizzas so much. So this right here that you see is the chef's special pizza, which has loaded cheese, which has loaded vegetables, and which has loaded paneer. Look at this. So now let's have a taste. I'm really excited with this one. So we're having the chili flakes here, oregano. Particularly excited with this because this is the chef's special pizza. So let me have a bite first and let you guys know how it is. I don't think I need to comment any further. As you saw just now, I finished the whole slice because I couldn't stop eating it. It's amazing. It's really a chef's special because it has a unique taste to it as well. This is also a must try. All of what is made here, all that I have eaten here, it's all fresh. You should definitely come here. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention, if you look at this aloo tikka chaat, it has a special masala in it as well. So that's why it's my favorite. Last but not the least, let's taste the drinks. So you have your local favorite here in Shillong, the sweet lassi. Again, look at the thickness, look at the consistency, look at the color. Look at that. You have your nuts here, you have something going on here, so it looks amazing. And the second drink that I have here with me is the blueberry mojito. Made out of blueberry soda, a bit of salt going on, and it looks really fresh. It smells amazing. Oh my god. just amazing. It's very refreshing, especially after having all of this. This is just what you need right here, and it really cools down your body as well. So yeah, this is bang on, spot on. You're definitely gonna enjoy the drinks. Second one, this is what you all want me to taste. You know, the sweet lassi, everyone's favorite. And you can see that they're very generous with what they give. It doesn't look diluted, it doesn't look watery. That's what I do not like. Let me have a taste. Oh my god, it's amazing, guys. It's really good, really thick, really fresh. So this is a saffron colored curd with almonds. You should give it a taste, especially on a hot day. Sweet lassi, bang on. So let me just enjoy my food and have all these and finish all of these items here because I can't get enough of this, guys. See you in a bit.
Through my journey of exploring the Chaat Puchka vegetarian food, I've come to the profound realization that vegetarian cuisine can be both healthy and incredibly tasty. The diverse range of flavors, the abundance of fresh ingredients, and the creative culinary techniques have shown me that a plant-based diet is not only nourishing for the body, but also a delight for the senses. It has opened my eyes to the possibility of enjoying meals that are not only environmentally sustainable but also deeply satisfying. I am inspired to encourage others to give vegetarian food a chance, to give vegetarian food a shot, to embark on their own culinary adventures and to experience the joy of discovering a healthier and tastier way of eating. Let us embrace the goodness of vegetarian cuisine for the benefit of our well-being and the world we inhabit.